Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the process of adding a new card reader to your system. Click on the Payment Setting module name in the left navigation panel to open the drop-down menu. Then click on Card Readers. Now you can see the location and status of the card readers in the list. Click Add New to add a new card reader. Fill in the required information as shown on the page. How to find the pairing code. View the pairing code on the card reader device. Slide the screen from the side to enter settings. Input the PIN 07139. Access the pairing code settings. Fill in the pairing code. Then click Save to complete the process of adding the new card reader. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.